Hello and welcome to Wanna Be a Chef. Today we are going to make eggless red velvet cake in microwave within 5 minutes. So let's get started. So for that we need 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of soda bicarb or baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, red food color. I'm using gel color. You can either use liquid color also. 3/4 cups of sugar. So in a mixing bowl we are going to take our dry ingredients first. So this is 1.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. I'm taking sugar. This is regular sugar, not the caster sugar. Soda bicarb or baking soda. Salt, cocoa powder, so we are going to mix all the dry ingredients first. This we will add 1/4 cup of oil. This is normal vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup of buttermilk. And we are going to mix everything together. I'm going to use a whisk to mix everything together. If you feel your batter is too thick, you can add little water as mine. So I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. Because my batter is too thick, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. If your batter is thick like this, you can add 1/2 cup of water. So mix everything together well. So to this we are going to add our red food color. We are going to give a nice mix. We added very little cocoa powder here because we want the red color to come out. If you add more cocoa powder, it will become a chocolate cake and not the red velvet. I'm using a small container here and I'm going to pour this batter in it, and I'm going to bake this at I'm going to microwave this for 5 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. The microwave red velvet cake is now ready. You can see the sponginess. It is bouncing up, and I have inserted a skewer and it has come out really well. So you can see, and I'm going to let this cool down and I'm going to show you. So we will take this has cooled down completely. We are going to take it out from the vessel here or the bowl. So we are going to take a plate and we are going to tilt upside down, and we are going to give a nice tap so that it comes out clean. So you can see it has baked perfectly. You can see the texture of it. It is just like what we bake in convention. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for such interesting recipes. You can also visit me on my Facebook page, which is given in the description box. Thank you and keep watching.